Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss the difference between assignment operator and comparison operator. So guys, let's get started. Guys, the assignment operator is used to assign the value to variable, and these are the few examples of assignments. And in the first expression, we have assigned 10 to variable a, and that is of integer type. And in the second expression, we have assigned a float value, that is 20.50, to the float variable b. And in the next expression, we have assigned a character constant to the character variable ch. But remember guys, we cannot assign or use constants on the left hand side, so this statement will be incorrect. Now guys, let's go ahead and we'll discuss comparison operator. Guys, the comparison operator checks whether the two given operands are equal or not, and if that expression is true, then it will return 1, otherwise it will return 0. And here is the example of comparison operator. So 3 equal to 3 is valid and it will return 1. Guys, we can place constant term in the left hand side in the comparison operator and it will work. Now guys, let me open up the Turbo C++ compiler where I will show you the working of these two operators. Guys, in this program, we will learn about assignment operator and comparison operator. So we have declared three integer variables a, b and x, and we have initialized x by 4. So basically we have assigned a constant value 4 to this variable x by using this assignment operator. So the value of x will be 4 now. Now in the first expression, this expression will be true because the value of x is 4 and 4 equal to 4, and this expression will be true and it will return 1. That will be stored to a. So now we can say that the value of a will be 1. Now in the next expression, this expression will be false and it will return 0. That will be stored to b. So the value of b will be 0. Now in the next expression, we have assigned 10 to x. Now the value of x will be 10, not 4, because 4 will be replaced by this value 10. Now guys, if I run this program, it is printing the values of a, b and x, and that are 1, 0 and 10 respectively. I hope it is clear to you guys, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.